This is Abner The Creator. Imagine if he sneezed all over you. Okay, man, this has to be hands down the coolest puppet show I've ever seen. This dude's doing moves with his hands, man. Bro, look at this. This guy's doing flips and shit. Like, this is a 10 out of 10 performance. I don't know why people do this. Kids, do not do this. Now this is what I call some sick edit skills, man. Why the hell are gorillas always farting, man? Men really are simple creatures. This is all we want to do. This ain't no cat, man. This is a big ass puma. Look at those claws. A classic vibe. Bro really has his nuts on the controller. Just throw the controller away.
Why you like this? Hey, why you like this?
I think old buddy here is way too big for his mama's pouch. Oh man, look at the sheer power this anchor is falling with. Now this is creepy, but it's funny. Yeah. Little cute ass monkey. I just want to give a big hug to this grizzly bear. Hey you, yeah you, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and while you're at it, watch one of these videos.